Hi guys, Papaiz here, and tonight for you I'm going to try and pick this Papaiz CR30. It's a Brazilian make. Nice little lock this. No order C2 likes these. There's the key. Nice little click. And then working order. Locked up. There's the key bitting. Let's get him in the vice and get him picked. Should, he says, only be 2 pins to pick on this. Pin 1, I think, and pin 4. But it all depends on how this goes. Can't get the tension wrench in there too far. There's pin 1. And pin 4 with a nice bit of counter rotation. There it is, picked. Show you it unlocked. There you go. Back up and hopefully still in working order. There we go. So just a quick one. Lovely little padlock. Nice security pins in it. Thanks for watching guys. Papaiz out.